Hey everyone. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tiffany and I'm a travel agent here in the Houston area. So today I wanted to come on here to tell y'all I'm getting ready to go on my very first Royal Caribbean cruise. I'm excited. I've been on cruises before. I've only been on Carnival, so I'm kind of ready to see what Royal has to offer. I'm kind of all over the place. If you look behind me, you see my suitcase. I don't know what to pack. I overpack because I never know what we're gonna do. But I wanted to come on here and show y'all a couple of things that I bought because my last Carnival cruise, they didn't have straws on the boat, and I was like, who doesn't have straws? So I found these on Amazon. I'm packing these because I need straws. Another cute little thing that I found on Amazon were these little gel caps. You put them on top of like your body wash. That way it doesn't spill out because I've packed stuff before. And even though I put it in a Ziploc bag, I found it all over the place. So I thought these were really cute. Something I could use where my stuff won't spill out. They fit on almost anything. They stretch. They can go on small bottles. So I thought these were really cute. So I'm going to put where I got these at the bottom. That way you guys can go out and purchase them if you need them. All right, y'all have a good day.